Open your mind to the world of nutrients where carbohydrates aren't the only heroes. Proteins and fats also play their part, providing glucose, that essential energy source. Let's embark on this fascinating journey. Welcome to the third and final part of our enlightening journey into the world of energy production from food. This segment dives into the fascinating process of energy production from a crucial dietary component, fats. As our camera zooms in on a person relishing a delicious piece of bacon, let's pause for a moment and understand what's happening. This savory piece of bacon is rich in fats, but what does that mean for our body? As we chew and swallow, the fats begin their journey, first reaching the stomach. Here, gastric lipase, an enzyme present in the stomach, initiates the breakdown of these fats. This is the first step in the complex process of fat digestion and absorption. The stomach serves as a mixing bowl, combining the fats with the stomach's acidic juices to form a semi-fluid mixture known as chyme. This chyme then moves into the small intestine, setting the stage for the next phase in our journey. But that's not the end of the road for these molecules. The fatty acids and glycerol are then repackaged into triglycerides within structures known as chylomicrons. These chylomicrons are subsequently released into the bloodstream via the lymphatic system. Now, within the circulatory system, the triglycerides undergo another transformation. Lipase enzymes on the surface of the capillaries convert the triglycerides back into fatty acids and glycerol. These metabolites are then stored within fat cells for future use. But how do these stored fats become energy? The answer lies in a hormone called adrenaline. When adrenaline enters the scene, it triggers an enzyme known as hormone-sensitive lipase. This enzyme releases the fatty acids and glycerol from the fat cells. Adipose tissue releases glycerol and fatty acids. The liver, ever vigilant, absorbs the glycerol. This glycerol then enters a process called gluconeogenesis, transforming itself into glucose. This glucose, now ready for action, enters the bloodstream and is transported to the cell mitochondria. Here it participates in glycolysis, producing pyruvate. Next, pyruvate undergoes decarboxylation, resulting in acetyl-CoA. Finally, acetyl-CoA enters the Krebs cycle. This intricate process leads to the production of ATP, that all-important energy currency of our bodies. The journey continues as these molecules are carried by albumins into the bloodstream. From there, they pass to the carnitine shuttle, which takes them through the process of beta oxidation. This process generates a molecule called acetyl-CoA, then enters a cycle known as the Krebs cycle. This cycle is where the magic happens. It's the point at which the energy currency of the body, adenosine triphosphate or ATP, is produced. But what happens when there's an abundance of acetyl-CoA or during extended periods of fasting? In such cases, the body produces what are known as ketone bodies. These ketone bodies serve as an alternative source of energy for our brain and muscles when glucose levels are low. Acetyl-CoA is a versatile actor, adapting to the body's needs. When low on carbs, fat is burned, producing excess acetyl-CoA. This excess acetyl-CoA then transforms into three types of ketone bodies. So, what comes next? Your body develops ketone bodies through ketogenesis. These serve as a secondary energy source, fueling your brain and muscles. Ketone bodies, have you ever pondered their purpose? They're an alternative energy source ready to power your brain, heart, and muscles during glucose shortage. Maintaining a healthy ketosis aids in upholding your ideal weight. This, dear listener, is why we humans don't depend solely on sugar and carbohydrates for energy. A remarkable world of biochemistry right inside our bodies ensures that we keep going every day, every moment. In a nutshell, the process of energy production from fats involves the breakdown and transformation of triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol. These molecules are then converted into ATP, the fundamental energy currency of the body. It's a complex, intricate process, but it's one that keeps us fueled and functioning every day. So there you have it, the fascinating journey of fats, from consumption to energy production. It's a testament to the incredible, intricate nature of the human body and its ability to derive energy from the foods we consume. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, every bite we take is a step in an amazing biological journey.